Most people get this wrong. They think Now Cash is just a quick payday app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Now Cash has grown into a full financial platform, offering early wage access, installment options, and spending management tools to give you better control over your money. Here's how Now Cash works. First, it allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is perfect for emergencies, unexpected bills, or urgent purchases without turning to high-interest loans. Second, Now Cash lets eligible purchases be split into small, predictable installments, making budgeting easier and reducing stress on your finances. Now Cash also includes a dashboard to track advances, upcoming payments, and spending habits. Alerts and reminders ensure you never miss a repayment, keeping fees and penalties under control. The downside, over-reliance can get costly. Frequent advances, missed payments, or using the app too heavily could lead to higher fees and mask deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installment plans you can repay on time. 2. Turn on notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on Now Cash. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may pay more than they save. In conclusion, Now Cash in 2026 is a practical and convenient tool, but only if used responsibly. Plan repayments, track fees, and use it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and practical money tips to keep your finances under control.